Hey guys, Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Rare on Monday for July 30th, 2018. So I did my daily spin. Alright, so let's try and find it. Oh, I found it, guys. It is Rare Rainbow Wristguards, and it's 975 gems in Jamal Township in the JML clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. The time is now 5:38 a.m. and if you guys can't hear me, then please turn up the volume. So thank you so much. Hope you like this video and all that. See you guys and peace out, and see me in my next video next week, Sunday night. So thank you and peace out.